Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desi Amanta Zakira with number study 5. In here, I want to give implementations and the demonstrations of text-based language teaching or TBLT. So, definitions of TBLT is an approach to language instructions that emphasizes the use of meaningful text as the central unit of planning and instructions in language teachings. It aims to help learners use the target language particularly and authentically. And in the text-based language teachings or TBLT has a three structure. The first is pre-task. It's introducing to the topic and text, and teacher may present useful vocabulary and phrase, and student may see a model of the task being performed. The second is task. Learners perform the task in pairs or group using the target language to achieve the task goal. The teachers monitors and provides support as needed. And the third is the post-task. Task usually has two main functions. The first is to ensure that students' on task work leads to a clear outcome in terms of language use, which can be appraised by the teacher and receives via teacher feedback or self-corrections as appropriate. It also enables sharing relevant language outcomes across the class. The second main function is to provide the opportunity for relevant from focus and language practice on future they might have had difficulty with in the context of the test. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? Okay, good, and I'm good too, and thank you for asking back. Now, it's the first day after you feel weekend yesterday. Is there anyone here who yesterday went go out for healing or just lie down at home? Wow! Almost one class is only lie down at home? Oh my god. Okay. Because you at the weekend yesterday just lie down at home, so today you must be excited, be happy, and be spirit for our lesson today. Okay. Does anyone know what we will learn about today? Come on. Okay, I will write our topic lesson today in the whiteboard. This. Okay, today we will learning about the procedure text. So I wanna ask you, what do you think or what in your opinion about the procedure text? Yeah, come on. Steps, right? Step. Like that. Oh, sorry. This steps. And then yeah, how to make something, right? How to make something, correct. And then another opinion, come on. Yeah, how to do something. Okay, how to do something. Another opinion about procedure text? Nothing, yeah. Okay, so The definitions of the procedure text is a type of the text that provides step-by-step guidance or instructions for doing something or completing a task. Jadi, definisi dari prosedur teks atau teks prosedur ini merupakan teks yang berisi tentang langkah-langkah atau tata cara melakukan sesuatu atau membuat sesuatu secara runtut dan benar. Ada yang tahu nggak tujuan dari prosedur teks? Jadi, the main purpose of procedure text is to help readers understand how to perform an activity or achieve a certain result by following detailed and systematic steps. Jadi tujuan utama dari teks prosedur ini adalah membantu pembaca untuk memahami cara melakukan sesuatu kegiatan atau cara membuat sesuatu kegiatan untuk mencapai hasil tertentu dengan menggunakan langkah-langkah yang sistematik. Okay. And then the procedure text is have several structure. Jadi kalian dalam membuat teks prosedur itu nggak asal-asalan, pasti ada strukturnya tersendiri. Ada yang tahu nggak? Yang pertama dan yang paling utama dalam membuat suatu teks, nggak hanya di teks prosedur. Benar. Title. Number one is title. Jadi kalian itu sebelum membuat teks prosedur, kalian harus menentukan di judulnya itu di atas kalian mau menunjukkan tata cara pembuatan apa, tata cara penggunaan apa dan sebagainya supaya pembaca itu langsung memahami. For the example, how to make a cake like this. How to make a cake. And number two, the second is goal. Goal or tujuan. Jadi di bagian goal ini itu menjelaskan tentang tujuan atau hasil akhir yang dicapai. Seperti for the example, tujuan dari teks prosedur ini supaya pembaca bisa memahami tata cara membuat cake. How to make cake like that. Number three is material and tools. Material and tools atau bahan dan alat yang akan digunakan. Jadi pertama itu yang disiapkan adalah bahan-bahan dan juga alat. Jadi kalian nggak setelah judul tujuan itu nggak langsung tata cara penggunaannya atau tata cara pembuatan. Jadi harus melalui material and tools terlebih dahulu supaya pembaca itu sebelum praktek menyiapkan terlebih dahulu bahan-bahan yang diperlukan. And then the fourth is steps. Nah, atau langkah-langkah. Ini merupakan bagian inti dari teks prosedur tersebut. Jadi kan teks prosedur itu merupakan teks step by step, like that. Jadi di bagian nomor 4 ini merupakan inti dari tata cara membuat sesuatu atau melakukan sesuatu. If you want ask of if you have some questions about procedure text, you raise your hand ya. Okay, nothing questions. Okay, if nothing questions, now I will make you as group for the assignment today. By the way, how many students in this class? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30, right? Okay, 30. Okay, I want to make you as group, as 5 group. Jadi, in the one group there are 6 students. Jadi kalian membentuk sebanyak 5 kelompok dan di dalam satu kelompok berisi 6 orang. To determine the group, can we start by counting from the left corner? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So now I will give you 3 minutes to gather in your respect groups. You can kumpul sesuai kelompok ya, sesuai number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, you can start now. Okay, jadi kalian sudah kumpul berkelompok ya. After that, I will give you a assignment. Please, in each group, make one procedural text about how to make a dish. Then you write it on the paper and then you present in front of the class. Now, I will give you 30 minutes. It's enough? Okay, enough. You can start now. Okay, before we close our class today, there are students who give the conclusions for the lesson today. I wanna give you point. Come on. Okay, Dinda. How? Okay, correct, Dinda. So I wanna give you conclusion about for today lesson. Jadi text procedure itu merupakan teks prosedur yang berisi langkah-langkah atau tata cara membuat sesuatu atau menggunakan sesuatu, dan itu harus melalui beberapa cara, misal structure, or harus melihat karakteristik dari teks prosedur tersebut gitu. Jadi nggak harus asal menulis like that. Okay, before we close our lesson today, anyone have questions? No questions? Okay, I think for lesson today kalian bisa paham, dan jangan lupa tugasnya dikerjakan, deadline minggu depan. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week. Bye bye.